We are here in Ferlach, a small village in the south of Carinthia in Austria. Ferlach, world famous for the gunsmiths what are based here. I have the pleasure to stay here by sure the most famous gunsmith from Ferlach, by Herbert Scheiring. We will have a look around his factory, about his guns. We have time to talk with him about precision, engraving, what make the difference from his guns to maybe industrial guns. Thank you very much, Herbert, for the invitation to your workshop. You are one of the most famous gunsmiths, what I know, but not only what I know, you are a world famous gunsmith. Can you tell us a little bit about your history?
Yeah, you know a lot of my clients and you hunt also with a lot of my clients together. So you know we very well, and we know us about 15 years.
I think maybe more.
Maybe more.
But
maybe.
We become always more younger and younger. So that's
yes.
why years is nothing, yes. Age is nothing.
We lie a little bit about that, but it's okay. No, I tell you, I'm now make this job for 44 years. I was starting with 18 years. And our thinking was that we go completely different to other gunsmiths. We just want to make the first single shot or express, also Kipplauf, and we want to go in the highest quality. So I think in this point we are really nearly the bestest of the world. I don't know one better, but perhaps I don't know all. So you know, also we shoot every day of 300 meters with our rifles for to make to shoot to look what is the precision, and we have also special calibers. We make also the hand loading ammunition, and we make also the ammunition for each rifle special. So. You know our precision you have seen in our showroom, and that's why come the clients to us to have the best. Now I think the hunting persons are splitting. Why splitting? All hunters in all the world are hunt with bull action rifles, and they have one pay 5,000 euro, one pay 15,000 euro, but it's all machine made, and all you have 5-6 shots, also more goes in a magazine. And now it's also a club in the United States. It's called single shot, and they just want to have a very good precision and one shot for one animal, one shot. Okay, so when they miss the first shot, they don't shoot the second shot. They just shoot the second shot when they have wounded. And that is very, very special. You know, it's when you see the videos, what you can see in YouTube or something like that. They shoot 5-6 shots and then they take it and so on. That has nothing to do with hunting. That is killing. But hunting is a very special thing. And hunting have a lot to do with the heart inside. And we think also the animal must have his chance. That's it.
It's really amazing what you told me before about this single shoot club and the high accurate rifle shooting. Do you yourself living the same way? I know you are a passionate hunter. You are going in the same?
Okay. I tell you, I hunt now for 50 years. I have started with 12 years to hunt. And it was always on the side of my father. And it was not allowed, but it was like that. And I have shot many thousand animals in my life. And I have never shot an animal with a pull action. So I tell you why. A single shot is very short, is very light, and I can pick it in a box like that, so I have no problems with to go in around the world. And the second is, if I take a second shot, because yes, I have wounded some animals, no question, I take 2 seconds or 3 seconds to reload. Yes, it's 1.5 seconds more than a pull action, yeah, but you have this time. You have this time always. For us, it's very important because we shoot over long range also a lot of times in my life. For us, it's very important to have a very precise rifle, a very precise munition, the best scope, and all the material what I have must be the best to make hunting in this direction.
Herbert, I know your rifles are very, very precise, very accurate, but not only this is, I think, the target that you only produce high quality, high precise rifles. I think even the design, the engraving, you are very individual. You make everything happen what a client will ask for his custom-made rifle.
I tell you one thing. We start more than 40 years ago, and also in these 40 years we have made many changes in our construction. And because 40 years ago the precise was not so important as now, because when you 40 years ago shoot a Reebok or a Gams of 300 meter, or say, 300 meters, 350 meter, 350 meter, 300 meters, 350 meter, that's in our life now and in our time normal. So I tell always my clients, the Porsche from 40 years was also different to the Porsche from today. It is always a Porsche, but it's different. And also our rifles make step by step more quality, more specialized, more precision, and something like that. So now we are on a point that we can say that it's incredible what we can make. It's really incredible. And also, I must tell you, we have just steel rifles. We we make no carbon. We make stock from the walnut because that is tradition. Okay, but we make no different steels also in the system, because when you make this difference, we know that we have tried it. When you shoot by plus 35 degrees, or you shoot by minus 20 degrees, the bullet got always in the same position. But that is normal, because two different materials working also two different, yes? And there come many new gunsmiths. They say, now we make this, and now we make this, and now we make this. It's not important to make new things. It's important to make good things. Okay, you must be always. You must try. We give our rifles in the cooling room. We give our rifles in the heating room on one day, and we try. What is the difference how much is the difference? Normally, it's also in our rifles a small difference. But when you have many different materials, the difference is much more. Okay? When you shoot target, you see all centimeter, all millimeter you see. That is not so important of animals, I know that. Okay? But of a long range, all is important. So that's the first. The second is, yes, normal. Our clients have all measure stacks. Our clients are building the rifle with us. They say, I want to have this engraving or this engraving. We have a engraving book with 1,000 rifles. So we have the pictures inside. They say, okay, I want to have this, I want to have this. Or they bring a painting from a house and say, I want to have this on this rifle. There is no problem because we make all with the hand. We have the best engravers in the world. And so we know very well what our clients want to have. And we are able to make that. You know, also your clients, and you have, say, very special clients from our house, and you know the special clients want to have special things. And our work is to make these people happy. That is very important. They must go and must say, okay, I have one of the best rifles in the world. I have the nicest. It's a piece of art. And I have built it with them. They go, you know, our stock room. They go and they have 200, 300 stocks who can look down and this. No, this is not mine, but this is mine. And so, all these rifles, what we make special for the clients. So you know, we have also a lot of clients. They want to have some pictures when we make the rifles. Normally we spend 1.5 years. For a rifle, yeah? It can be 1 year if we want to have it very quickly, but normally 1.5 to 2 years or something like that. Then they call me all 2 months and say, can you send me a picture? Oh yes, we can send you a picture. And he sees step by step how is made the rifle. And a lot of clients come to us in our factory to see, to look, to live with this rifle. And yes, of course, they have a very special friendship to this rifle from the first minute.
I think this rifle become like a family member for this hunter.
Absolutely. You know, my friend Franz Albrecht, yes, he was sleeping with his rifle.
That's absolutely. Why we learned, give never 2 things out of your hand. Your wife and your rifle.
Absolutely.
This you have to keep like a treasure.
No. So our work is to make the people and our clients happy. That is very important. You know, you cannot make everything 100% because we work with the hand. But you can believe us that we not give one rifle out of the hand where we not be sure that it is nearly perfect. Erich, also we was hunting together a lot. We have shoot the stack of a very nice distance with a stick by Michael. Right. Then we have shoot the stack in Maltatal, also with a stick of more than 300.
Beautiful, the mountain
300
steak,
meters, yes. And so I
even
know
some of the roebucks and chamois.
Ah, yes, of course.
You have one of the best roebuck and chamois collection, what I really know. And I know a lot of hunter, but you have really an incredible collection of chamois and roebucks.
Yeah, I know also better ones, but my roebucks and my chamois are really very good, yes. And also the stack from Duncan, you know, he was, when I shoot him, he was the world record.
Yes.
And we have also made a video about that. So, no, I tell you one thing. I have just 2 hobbies. One is to make rifles, and one is to go hunting. And that's it. In all my life, I never play golf. No, just these 2 hobbies. And you can be very good only when you live and you make your life just for your hobbies.
Yeah, Herbert, thank you very much that you take the time for me, that you show me your rifles, for the nice talking about your work.
Thank you very much, and it's always a pleasure to have you in my house.
Thank you, Herbert. Thank you very much.